I think it's raccoon eyes are okay.
Cody's getting too much sun.
What's up, guys? Welcome to another vlog. Today's vlog, you're all in the shadow over there.
Well, I'm trying to keep Cody safe.
Okay, guys, today's vlog is jam-packed with workouts. We wanted to give you guys this kind of an overview of what our week looks like with different workouts that we do, with the foods that we're eating. So you're gonna see that all in today's vlog. We did a push-up challenge.
Which I won, clearly.
All right, guys, so here's that push-up challenge that both Jessica and I did. We posted this over on our @LiveLeanTV Instagram account.
Of course she was gonna do that.
Now it was kind of like a man versus woman push-up challenge. How many push-ups can you do in 1 minute? And we challenged everybody on our LiveLeanTV Instagram to do it as well. So people have been sending us those photos, or they've been tagging us on our Instagram with their own videos. So we want to see how many you guys can do. Yeah, it sucked. It was much less than I had before. So that was super fun, that push-up challenge. I ended off with a disappointing, for me, of 47 push-ups in 60 seconds, and Jessica did, I think, 27, and she dropped to her knees to get some of those as well. So if you need to drop your knees, but just keep it legit. So make sure you have good form with your push-ups. I think before I did 57 push-ups, I think, when I did this challenge 6 years ago. Where's that old man strength? And I'm gonna show you some snack recipes with protein in it. And guys, we were also super busy in the kitchen this week doing recipes for you guys. So we posted a few of these over on our Instagram @LiveLeanTV, but I wanted to share them with you, the YouTube viewers. We made some Mocha protein squares, which are absolutely delicious. Here's a quick clip of how to do that, but once again, the recipe is on our blog if you wanna go check that out. And then we also made a low-carb pizza version. So the crust is made of fish. Now, before you get disgusted, guys, it's really good. The crust is made of white fish, and then you just build the pizza on top of that. So it's really delicious. Once again, the recipe's over on our blog if you want to go check that out. The nutrition info is over there as well, instructions. So enjoy this recipe as well. Medicine ball partner workout that both Jessica and I are going to do. We're going to put a voiceover over that and share with you guys how we felt during the workout. All right, guys, so this is the medicine ball workout here that we did. It's a partner workout, but you can do this workout on your own as well. But Jessica was working outside with me, and I said, you know what, come on in and have a little workout.
Yeah, he's like, hey, girl, you got 4 minutes of your time? And I was like, yeah, sure, for you.
So what we're doing here with the Tabata is, the first one is the squat and overhead toss with the medicine ball, and this one's really gonna burn out the legs, the shoulders as well. So if you guys don't know what this Tabata is, it's what, 20 seconds on, 10-second break?
For 8 cycles of that, so yeah, you just continuously keep going. And
then we're moving on to the rolling medicine ball push-up. This is really it's kind of like the uneven push-up where one arm is up and the other arm is down. Kind of targets both sides of the chest a little bit different. I really like this exercise. It makes you feel like a badass as well. Oh, sorry, no cursing in front of Cody.
And one thing to note here is that we're moving as fast as we can with good form on every exercise. So it's not like you just go all out crazy speed to where your form is compromised. You still want good form, but know that you're on the clock, so hustle a little bit faster than you would if you weren't being timed.
And so then we're doing the seated medicine ball Russian twist. So you can see I'm doing I'm doing the more advanced version with my feet off the ground. That's the traditional style, and Jessica is doing with her feet on the ground, which makes it a little bit easier as well. So once again, that's
we took turns.
20 seconds.
On that version. The second time around I did feet up and you did feet down. And then this one, guys, this one, I feel like I look so awkward on these because I was like, where do I switch sides at? So you can see I was switching at the top versus the way Brad's doing it's a little more.
Let's tell them what the exercise is. This is the medicine ball wood chop.
I'm awkward.
So what I wanted to do here was 2 per side. And so you come down across the body 2 times, and then you raise it to the same side, and Jessica's kind of all over the place there.
Yeah, I was like, I don't know about the exercise. Oh, and here I remembered we had to go another round. I was like, oh, whoops.
So that was the first round. This is the second round here. And I kind of just, like I said, I pulled Jessica into this without kind of telling her what we were doing. So she was just kind of following my lead without really any...
Just going along with it.
Real lead, I guess. I didn't really prescribe to her. So again, 20 seconds here for this one. And again, this is a total body exercise. It's really gonna burn you out. I like to go low with the squat and then really explode through the heels and throw it up in the air, but just make sure you're throwing it in alignment with the body so it doesn't come crashing down forward or behind you.
Yeah, that is key on that one. Make sure you're throwing it straight up and not forward, because then it'll mess up your squat.
Yeah, and then with this one here, again, it's the push-up, and you know, try to keep your hips in alignment when you can by really keeping your core tight.
One thing, babe, I think you're doing better than me is your hips are not rocking as much. Like, see, my hips are rocking a lot. If I was my own personal trainer, I'd be like, core tight. Yeah. So try not to rock your hips too much.
And then we switched on this one, so I did the more beginner approach with my feet on the floor, and Jessica raised her feet.
I'm going advanced this time around, and this one's tough for me, guys. Being only 3 months postpartum, I feel like I don't have as much ab strength as I used to, so I really feel these. You can see it in my face. I'm like struggling.
And then once we're done with this exercise here, again, you take that 10-second break. We're almost done. We're kind of laughing at a couple. Can't remember what we were laughing at there. Yeah. But here's the final exercise, that medicine ball chop.
Probably at my awkwardness.
So watch, 1, 2, then you bring it up over that opposite shoulder and you come down again.
Yeah, I'm going up to the same side and then switching, which is weird.
So watch me. So I come down and then it's straight up that side and you switch it.
Yeah.
I see you checking me out in here like, how are you doing this?
Yeah, it's like looking at you, I'm like, why is he not feeling as awkward as I am? But yeah, 20 seconds is quick before you know it, you're done.
And that's 4 minutes,
Cody did not like my form.
So again, this isn't our entire workout for the day. That's a type of workout that I do as a post-workout finisher. So I go through my resistance training workout, and then that's what I do as a finisher for my workout. And that's like, you know, my workouts typically last 60 minutes in the gym.
Being only 4 minutes, it's quick, it's over before you know it, and totally doable.
Yeah. Okay, well, thank you for coming in and doing that commentary. So guys, on the weekends, especially on Saturdays, the gym is usually super busy. So I prefer to take my workouts out to the track because the high school kids are not in school, and I can use this amazing track that we have here in where we live in California. So here's like just a quick couple clips of how I bring the family. So Jessica comes, Cody comes, and Kyla comes, and Kyla is just like soaking it up with the workouts that we do. But it's so much fun seeing her just copy the movements that Jessica does or copy the movements that I do, just to get your kids incorporated into fitness at such an early age. It blows my mind to think that Kyla right now is 2 years old, and to think of how involved she is in with fitness already by seeing us, what she's gonna be like at like 8 or 9 or 10 years old. Blows my mind. Just wanted to pop in and give you guys a big shout out, big thank you for following our journey.
Yes.
It's so nice having you guys along. We're doing our best to bring the best content to you to help you guys live lean. So just straight up, thank you.
We love you guys.
And it was actually interesting at the gym the other day when I was doing one of my cool downs. I was using the foam roller, and a guy came up to me and he asked me, he said, you know, what does that foam roller do? You know, is it for your core or what? Like, what are you doing? So I mentioned to him that it's, you know, for self myofascial release. So it's like a self massage. So I actually put this clip together of just some quick foam rolling exercise that you guys can do. I shared it over on our Instagram, guys. We share tons over our Instagram, so if you're not following us, get over there and follow us. But once again, this is just something that you can do to help release the tightness of your muscles after your workout. You can even do it before your workout, but I focus on doing it after my workout all the time. So here's some foam rolling clips. Enjoy.
That's it for today's vlog. I'm impersonating Brad.
Funny girl, funny girl.
So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed watching what you saw. Try not to get a sunburn, bro. Keep the baby out of the sun. Hey, hey. So if you did like this video, slap a like on it. And we'll see you at the next one. Thank you guys so much for watching. We make these videos specifically for you, so let us know in the comments below what you want to see more of. And we'll see you next time. Boy! Want to say, keep living lean.
Keep living lean.